Hi, I'm Lucy Contreras, Manager of Plant Collections here at Brookgreen Gardens, and this is the virtual plant petting zoo. Today we're at the Low Country Center and we are looking at Anasacanthus quadrifiedus varitii, which again, another long name, but it's commonly called Texas Firecracker or Hummingbird Bush. So the name Hummingbird Bush I particularly like because it is a big hummingbird attractor. You can see these red-orange tubular flowers, which I guess you could say look like a firecracker going off, are great for hummingbirds to come over to stick their beak in and enjoy the nectar of the plant. This is one that is native to Texas and can be used in a xeric type situation. When you do have a rainfall, it does tend to burst into bloom, so we're enjoying that now. And one other thing that I like to tell people about this plant is you can see how big it is now, but typically it does die down to the ground in the winter and will come up again in the spring.